Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here I am. Look guys, life is very short, so just growing fast and just get easily done. Look, if you really want to simple your life, look, I know many people say that today's generation is very complicated, they are overwhelmed, they are overthinker. Look, these all are just rumor, and I know I will give you a true explanation so you can solve this puzzle. Look, we are born in that era where we seen a lot of kind of technology. First of all, yes, if you just understand the basics, and secondly, we have seen a lot of destruction. I mean, simply either is education system, or is our society, or it's our two faces culture. Yes, I'm giving a right word, two faces culture. And also manipulation which our politicians do. Okay, so we have seen a lot of destruction, so that's why people who are in a 80s, 70s, 60s are always has a problem that we have a look, it's all just rubbish, it's all just rubbish and ridiculous, so just ignore them, just totally ignore them. Mm, it's 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 their complication, I'm telling you, it's their complication, so don't take them too seriously. Okay, so yes, we are just making a sentence. So in the limelight, you can see that it's about, in the limelight, it's like a museum. In museum you always watch antique piece, historical piece, and also about our mythological stories which you heard, which they can be right or wrong, because who know, this is the actual story. One thing, look guys, the truth only man knows. Just remember all the time, everything in your mind, truth is only a man know. Otherwise, history is written by 1,000 hand. Okay, this history which you read in today's books, magazine, and also in a newspaper story is written by 1,000 millions of men. Okay, and they all just write their own. Look, no one will write same thing again and again. No one will write same thing again and again, because this world is also a economic world. You have to earn the money, you have to sell your books. Okay, just understand, just try to understand what I'm trying to saying. Okay, everyone want to sell their book, so that's why they are story write, and add two or three new things, so that's why public can attach, public can glorify that, but actually truth only man knows. So just find yourself. This is the best suggestion I'm giving you. Look, I don't care what people think, what people care, what world thinking about every as world per people opinion. I just caring, and I'm just giving you suggestion. Just you just should find yourself. You just should find yourself. This is the best thing you can do with yourself. All the mythological thing, all the think, that this can be true, this can be true, this can be true. No, truth only man knows. Okay, remember that. In the lurch, it's about difficult situation. Look, I have faced many difficult. I was in a phase. Look, I'm 30. You can see. Yes, I'm looking like a 17 and 80s, and I always be looking 70s 18, but my actual age is 30. So that's why I'm telling you. I know, look, the most confusing situation is right now I'm seeing very easily, because AI is future, okay? And after 3 and 4 years, AI will replace the human. AI can't replace human like me. AI, not anyone, not anything, any can't. I'm telling you why. Because that's why I'm telling you, be a man. That's why I'm telling you, be a man, be a proper man. Just be at least a good human being. At least a good human being. Okay? So AI won't replace you. Okay? Don't worry that I know there are lots of humor, and I know 15 and 20 kids are getting very tense that AI replace them. What we will do? AI will replace only Damesh. Okay? AI will replace only Damesh. No one can't replace human. Okay? Don't worry. Melting pot. Melting pot is about the CA and NRC. If you heard a news that this government want to apply to the whole nation that CA NRC Citizen Amendment Act. Okay, I know there are thousands of migration, thousand not thousand, millions of migration are living in India. Especially if you just visit in Bengal, Jaisalmer border, and I know many Bangladeshi, Afghani are living in India. Yes, it's true. Yes, it's fact. You can't deny this fact. So that's why government want to see that CA NRC who is an Indian citizen, who is an Indian citizen not. Okay, so that's why I know there are lots of politics behind to this amendment act. I know, but truth is truth. The actual truth is just government just want to see it. Okay. So melting pot, just like CANRC, the Citizen Amendment Act, in the red. Yes, it's a biggest problem. Disease. It's not the biggest problem. It's a disease. If you are stuck in that kind of situation, just stay out of it. Okay. Look, I'm telling you, never ever be a show off. If you really want to be a show off person to just impress a girl, okay, and you just carrying an iPhone, Apple MacBook, to take a huge EMI and loan and take a car and just to impress girl. Look, all the thing is that. Okay, don't tell me in comment box, no sir, you are thinking wrong. No, I know all the things, all the people want to show off just to impress. Yes, just to impress a girl. Okay, this is a harsh reality. So I'm telling you, don't be a dumbass. Okay, don't be a foolish person. You really don't need to be a show off. Okay, so don't take too much ear and don't take in this trap. Yes, this is a trap in the red. This is the trap. This is a huge trap, which once you get in this trap, you will not step out in your whole life. In your whole life, you will not step out it. Okay, so just remember and just think carefully and think wisely. Okay, think wisely what I'm trying to say. Don't be in this trap. Otherwise, you will always look, guys. If your life on the pill, on the medicine, if you just think you are taking a medicine pill, and now you are just category in a dumb ash. The best word I'm giving you. This is the only correct word which can define this kind of people. Okay, so don't be this in trap. So yes, please tell me in comment box your opinion. look, if you really want to abuse me, just abuse me. Don't worry. I will take it as a sport. Okay. Well, I'm a sports person, so I can easily very sportly. I'm not or just overthinking. So yes, tell me in comment box and please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Chho, Mujama.